ngapchu ngaku masum pochu semba kyosu rang yu shore lor ningla na su
Hush Europe, Hush Tibet advocacy in Hush Lithuania. Tibetan Parliament in Exile delegation meets Lithuanian Parliamentary Group for Relations with Tibet, discusses Tibet's critical situation. As part of the ongoing Tibet advocacy efforts by the Tibetan Parliament in Exile in Europe, parliamentarians Geshe Harampa Govo Lobsang Painde and Wangdu Dorji continued their Tibet advocacy efforts, meeting Lithuanian MPs in Vilnius on 12 November 2024. They held a meeting with Lithuanian Parliamentary Group for Relations with Tibet, including its chair MP Andrius Navikas and members MP Arunas Valinskas, MP Matas Moldikis, MP Kestutis Navikas, and MP Monica Navikin. During their meeting, the MPs highlighted the critical situation inside Tibet and appealed for their continued support for Tibet. The Tibetan MPs were joined by Kunga, Secretary of the Office of Tibet in London, as well as Lithuanian Tibet supporters.